Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to drop down list on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. The first way to do is to right click on your cell and then you will go to the go down here and we will find drop down list and then it will take you to data validation rule, or we can just right click on the same cell that you want to insert, where you want to insert your drop down, and go to the view more cell actions, and we will go to data validation and it will take us to the same pop-up window. And if you want to reach it from another menu from here, all we have is to go to data and go for data validations, and we will click on it and we can add our rules here. Now let's continue our working on the drop down. As you can see, already my criteria recognize it as drop down list. Here I can add as many items as I want. So let's just add some. To be, please remove duplicates, and it's be something like that. Also, you can add colors and modify it however you want. Let's click on done, and as you can see, this is my drop down list now. If you want to edit it, only click on the edit button and it will be edited. Let's remove this rule and I will show you how to drop down from a data range. So for example, let's suppose that I want to create a drop down list that contains exactly these items. So I will go again to drop down, but this time in the criteria, I will choose the drop down from a range. So now I can choose my list that I want to take items from. Let's suppose, for example, take it from this one. So I will click OK, and as you can see, I have the same exactly items or options here. So I will click on done, and here we will find our items listed on this drop down list. So those are the ways how to drop down on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.